Welcome back to another video. Today we are discussing about the surprising health benefits of eggplant, and its numerous health benefits. With a wide range of eggplant varieties to choose from, it's no secret that they're the perfect addition to just about any meal. Interestingly enough, eggplant have a similar texture to tomatoes, making them perfect for soups, stews and even barbecuing. You might be surprised to learn that this delicious fruit is not only full of flavor, but it also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Some of the benefits are: Number 1. A great source of vitamins and minerals. The vitamin and mineral content of eggplants is quite extensive. They're a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, thiamine, niacin, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, fiber, folic acid, potassium, and more. Number 2. Helps with digestion. The high fiber content in eggplants, which is a crucial element to maintaining a balanced diet, is a great way to improve your gastrointestinal health. Number 3. Increases brain function. Eggplants are rich in natural chemicals called phytonutrients, which have been known to improve mental health. This benefit is a result of increased blood flow throughout the body and into the brain. Number 4. Improves heart health. The fiber in eggplants does more than just aid in the digestion process, it also helps to improve your heart health. This is because fiber reduces the amount of cholesterol that your body absorbs by binding it with your digestive system's bile so that your body naturally gets rid of it. Number 5. Prevents cancer. Antioxidants are one of the human body's best defenses against diseases like cancer, as well as many other potential infections. One of the many benefits of eating eggplant is that you are also ingesting the natural antioxidant, manganese, which will ensure that your organs are protected. Number 6. Improves bone health. The natural plant compounds that create coloration in eggplant have actually been linked to reduced osteoporosis, stronger bones, and even increased bone density. Additionally, the iron and calcium found in eggplants are crucial in improving and preserving overall bone health. Number 7. Prevents anemia. Iron deficiency can result in anemia, which is characterized by a general feeling of tiredness and weakness caused by not having enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen throughout your body. Eating foods like eggplant that are high in iron can help combat health conditions like anemia. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.